Welcome to Pilot Water Solutions, Orla North Number 3 SWD Virtual Tour. We will start out at the entrance to location, where all appropriate signage is posted before entering the facility. Now, let's move over to the site itself. As we begin the tour, we'd like to point out some key features, starting with the lightning protection. This location is equipped with advanced lightning protection, as seen here. Next, we'd like to highlight some of the environmental features on location. First, as you can see, there is tertiary containment around the entire site, which prevents any runoff of fluids. Second, the tank battery is surrounded by secondary containment, which will contain any fluids that release from the primary containment, the tanks themselves. This site operates by receiving produced water through a pipeline connection that runs into the tank battery itself. Once the water is received through the pipeline, it goes through the desander. From the desander, the water travels onto the gun barrel, where the water and the oil are separated. The oil then travels to the oil-holding tanks, and the produced water travels to the produced water-holding tanks. Once the water level in the produced water tanks rises to a certain level, an automation system activates and turns on the H-pumps to start injecting the produced water downhole into the well. As the water travels out of the produced water tanks, it goes through a filter pot filtration system. This system removes particulates and solids from the water before it goes into the H-pumps, which then inject the water down whole. As we continue along, the white awning overhead covers the electrical control equipment for the site and the pumps. Below are the H-pumps, and from there, the pumps send water into the wellhead and down whole into the well. Lastly, let's take an aerial look at the site from above. Pilot Water Solutions would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this brief and informal video on how our facility operates.